Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin on the iPhone because unpairing there safely backs up your watch. Open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then select your watch at the top. Tap the small info icon and choose Unpair Apple Watch. You will be prompted to confirm and enter your Apple ID password so activation lock is removed. This ensures the watch can be set up again by you or someone else. Once you confirm, the iPhone creates a final backup and starts the unpairing process automatically. If you don't have the iPhone handy, you can erase directly on the watch. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset and choose Erase All Content and Settings. This wipes the watch to factory defaults. Note that it won't preserve a convenient backup on the iPhone and may require Apple ID to disable activation lock. If the watch has a cellular plan and you intend to stop service, make sure to remove the plan during this step or contact your carrier. Then confirm and let the watch complete the erase. Finish by checking the iPhone Watch app that the backup was created. This lets you restore later. Make sure both devices restart because a fresh reboot resolves many sync or activation lock glitches. If you still see activation lock, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and sign back in, or enter the Apple ID used to pair. If the watch refuses to unpair or remove activation lock, contact Apple support. They can verify ownership and help clear the account ties safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.